The future is here, and it's powered by robots. From fields to factories, AI-driven robots are transforming the way we live and work. Imagine robots that not only think, but adapt, learn, and collaborate like never before. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Before we dive into how robotics is revolutionizing entire industries, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us bring more breakthrough insights straight to your screen. AI-powered robotics are making automation smarter, faster, and more adaptive across nearly every sector. These intelligent machines analyze real-time data, assess their surroundings, and make independent decisions. In manufacturing, they boost productivity by inspecting products, assembling with precision, and even preventing injuries on the job. In healthcare, robots assist in surgeries and patient care, improving both safety and efficiency. Agriculture is seeing a shift too. AI robots are optimizing harvesting and weed control while cutting down on labor needs. The transportation world is evolving with autonomous vehicles, and space exploration is getting a major assist from AI robots that help astronauts and explore uncharted terrain. These innovations are also improving predictive maintenance. Robots can monitor performance, detect issues early, and reduce downtime, saving time and money. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are bridging the gap between humans and machines. Unlike traditional robots, cobots work directly alongside people. They take over repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on more valuable work. And thanks to AI and sensors, they're smarter than ever, able to adapt, learn, and operate safely without physical barriers. With built-in safety features and flexibility, cobots are ideal for modern, dynamic work environments. They integrate seamlessly with the industrial Internet of Things, making operations smoother and more efficient. They're not just changing jobs, they're redefining what it means to work with machines. Soft robotics is also gaining traction. These robots use flexible materials to mimic the movements of living organisms, making them ideal for delicate tasks. In healthcare, they're assisting in surgeries and rehab. In agriculture, they harvest without damaging crops. And in logistics, they handle fragile items with care, reducing waste and increasing speed. Soft robots are becoming smarter and more sustainable as material science and AI evolve. Their flexibility and safety make them ideal partners in a wide range of industries. North America is at the forefront of this robotics revolution. The US alone accounts for 77% of total robot installations, driven by automation in sectors like automotive and electronics. Companies like Tesla and General Motors are leading the charge. In Canada, robot installations in the automotive industry are up 95%, supported by government incentives for R&D. And in Mexico, nearshoring trends are fueling robotics growth by bringing supply chains closer to home. Together, these countries are cementing North America's leadership in robotics innovation. This AI-powered future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's changing the game for industries across the globe. Check out the related video in the corner to see how AI is disrupting more markets than ever before.